Guys, today I will show you how to install Photon in your Kali Linux in Android. First you have to go to your terminal. You have to be in the root directory. For the root directory you have to type sudo su and put your password. After that you will come in the root directory. After that you have to make your terminal update and upgrade. For making update and upgrade you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. After that again you have to type apt install python, because this tool will work in the Python language, guys, so please install the Python language in your terminal. After that you have to clone the Photon. After that you have to clone your Photon tool in your Kali Linux. For a cloning process you have to type get clone. I given the link in my Telegram channel, so please visit my Telegram channel, guys, so you can clone it here. Copy there and clone it here. After that you have to press enter. It will take some time, guys. After that make ls for the list, and for the chain directory you have to type cd and you have to search for the Photon. After that copy it, again paste it and clear your terminal. See guys, you are now in the Photon directory. Again make ls. This video is only for the education purpose, guys, so we continue our video. So we'll type pip install -r recordment.txt. You have to type and make enter. It will install each and every requirements of Photon tool. It will take some time, guys. See guys, everything is installed now. We have to type again Python. First we will make ls for the list, and afterwards we have to type Python this. You have to copy this one, photon.py, copy it, again paste it, again make -h for the help. As in this video I will show only the installation process in here. If you want a full practical video of this Photon tool, you have to join the Telegram channel. You can join there and I will put my full practical video there. This video is only for education purpose, guys. Thanks for watching. Yeah.